Hello friends and welcome to SIC Canada updates. So आज ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ video है that is regarding the most updated processing times for all the kind of applications that are going through. So initially I'll go ahead and start with the PR related applications which are processing out of Canada. Okay. So outside Canada, either you are going through the express entry or you are going through the family class sponsorship, okay, or through PNPs and all. So everything goes through express entry in that case. So if you're going for a sponsorship application, the most recent update available है that it is taking anywhere between 9 to 12 months. ਸੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਊਟਸਾਈਡ ਆਫ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਉਹ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਅਪਰੋਕਸੀਮੇਟਲੀ 9 to 12 ਮੰਥਸ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ हाँ unfortunately for the applications which were submitted earlier in 2019-2020 we have seen a lot of progress happening on it, lot of movement happening on it, but those are, you can say, the least progressing applications. It's been more than 2-3 years. Okay, they are still under the process, but they are trying to go ahead and wrap it up as soon as possible. Then again, talking about the express entry, it's taking roughly 6 months to 12 months again for them to process. Earlier a timeline ਜਿਹੜੀ 6 months ਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ, but ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ up to 12 months ਵੀ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦੇ हैं because of COVID delays, COVID related delays and the backlogs that they have already incurred. Now coming over to the work permit applications. So spousal work permits, LMIA based work permits, open work permits from outside of Canada or LMIA exempt work permits, all of these permits they have all recently updated the processing time of 54 weeks, which is more than a year. Okay, but again friends, please online all information 54 weeks ਦੀ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ do not go ahead and get scared because ਉਹ average time ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ past ਦੇ applications ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈ. So we already know ਕਿ 1.5 ਸਾਲ ਤੱਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ applications ਨੂੰ ਵੈਸੇ time ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, but now we have started seeing some improvement, you can say some progress on applications, the work permit applications which have been waiting for 10 months also. So now we are seeing a bit of progress happening. So we feel like that yes, the the immigration of Canada, they are already working on reducing those processing times a lot. However, there are no negative impacts which are happening because of the processing delays. So rest assured, all the applications that are going through, at least from our end, okay, we know that there are no negative questioning or there is no negative information in the profile which we should be worried about. It is taking a bit longer, but again, that is only because of the backlog that they have. Okay. Now moving on to the study permit applications. So study permit applications comparatively bड़ी fast move कर रही हैं. So they are taking anywhere between 1 to 6 months. Okay, so it could be done within a month also. It could even take up to 2 months, 3 months, or it can go even up to like 6 months. So in these scenarios, we are just requesting the students in case जे ਤੁਹਾਡਾ course शुरू होने वाला है, ठीक है, एंड ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ and we are almost about to reach the deadline of the processing time frame. Okay, then my suggestion to you is, if you want, you should go ahead and defer your courses. Okay, rather than starting the education, I'll suggest to go ahead and defer the cases because all the universities or most of the colleges and universities, they are charging on some pro rata basis, I believe. Okay, so you should go ahead and refer to the college or university policies and then take a decision upon it. Talking about the extensions, so study permit extension, work permit extension within Canada that we are trying to go ahead and apply, it can take anywhere between 3 to 6 months for now. Okay, so on an average they are processing it between 2 to 3 months, but we have seen certain applications they can even take up to 6 months as well. Okay. Talking about the visitor visa, so visitor visa might be the quickest moving application across the globe, okay, for Canada. So they are taking most of the decisions, they are coming within a month to 2 months, not more than that. Okay. So with that being said, as I said, all these applications that you're trying to go ahead and either sponsor someone or you're applying for coming over to Canada on your own, okay, they are experiencing a huge delay. I request all of you to be patient and make sure that we go ahead and submit the application accurately so that we do not go ahead and end up wasting a lot of months and ultimately going for a refusal or a rejection or even the file being sent back because of incomplete documents. Okay. So I hope this gives you a certain amount of peace. If you need more information, definitely get back to IRCC through web form, through calls, through email, okay, whichever method you prefer. Okay, and they would be the best person to go ahead and give you more updated or more detailed and more precise information regarding your applications. So, friend, with that being said, I'll take your leave for today, and I hope you all have a good day. Thanks.